Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can send money from Canada to Nepal through Remitly. So at first head over to Remitly and you'll see this page. So what you need to do is it says sending to Bangladesh. You need to select on the country icon and you want to search for Nepal just like so and select on it. Wait for it to load up. And then as you can see, it says Nepal over here, which means that the country has successfully been changed. And then what you want to do is either click on send money over here and then you'll see that you're on the send money tab and then wait for this one to load up as well. Now as you can see, it says you send USD. So this thing is kind of fixed, you cannot change it, but for the money you can select, let's say it's 500 Nepal, then it shows what is the USD amount automatically. And then for the selection method, you need to choose what is the way you want to send the money. Like how do you want the money delivered? It means the person who is receiving the money, how are they doing? And then the payment method is how are you sending the money, and choose everything and then click on continue. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.